Hi everybody, this is me again, and well, today I'm doing a little something different for my beginning, because I'm going to cut away from this stuff, and well, yeah, well today I'll go for Neosaurus from Ultraman. Okay, detail on this guy actually looks really gorgeous. Scratch his little belly there. Come on, scratch it. Okay, you got it? Okay. Yes, his little belly is so cute. Looks like it. And his feet. Literally. Looks like frogs. I don't know why, but the spine's like coral for some reason. Okay, his tail. It's really long. His fins. Yeah. Face. This looks like Titanosaurus for some reason. Okay. Okay, so for articulation, he has the swivel arms and legs and tail. Really stiff, but yeah, etc. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5 points of articulation, you know. He's actually really good in monster. I mean, he defeated Silvergun, almost defeated Ultraman Dyna. Which actually is pretty impressive for a monster from the Ultraman series, you know. Go on non-precise comparisons. So, first, I don't have good enough Ultraman for this guy, but I'll just compare him with Godzilla monsters. Probably other monsters from the Ultraman series. Okay, first let's go with the king of the monsters himself. I think Ultraman, Dyna, and Neosaurus are the same size, so got Ultraman Dyna is kind of like 55 meters actually, and actually Neosaurus is 50 meters tall, so he has to be the same height as Godzilla. So yeah. Next we're gonna go with Kiryu from Godzilla Tokyo SOS. Okay, I'm guessing this is not a bad size, but, you know, it's fine to me. Actually, I'll give it, okay, now I'll give him a size comparison with one of my Ultra Monster LEGO creations. I'll just give him one, okay? Now I'm just comparing with Ella King. And yes, I know I didn't review this guy yet, but just shut up. I can't remember what size Ella King was, but I feel like this is good. Okay, we'll give him one more. We'll give him a comparison to, well, Tyrant from Ultraman Taro. Okay. Tyrant, I feel like he has to be a little taller, but I think this is fine. Yeah. That is it for now. Until next time, this is Boskin IGA, aka Simon Walter, signing off. You can all see that, right?